All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good things. Today we're going to be talking about Tectonic. Ding, 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 could be a discount buy. We're going to go over to their website, go to their Twitter account, see what's going on with Tectonic. Also, Robinhood launched Shiba Inu. Yep, we got listed. Wasn't that fantastic? And 3 other coins. We're going to talk about that. And then also, one of those miners just got launched yesterday, Spooked Beans. We're going to go over that for a minute or two if you're looking for a cryptocurrency project today. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and one day even own some cryptocurrency. All right, let's head over to Tectonic. All right, over here, CoinMarketCap, Tectonic is 3,090 right here. It's down, ding, 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 15%. So we got 15% down. I always like the 12 and 15% for discount buys. Down 2% for the last 24 hours. Clicking it, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros and a 77.67. We'll come back for a price prediction a little bit later. Down 2% right this second. And that's for today in the last 24 hours. But in the last 7 days is where it's actually come down pretty good. It's over down 15%. So not good if you own the coin, but if you're trying to get position or cost average, you may like this 15% down right this second. Over at their Twitter account here, the cross-chain money market on Cronus chain. Got Tectonic. Our Tectonic FI folding jars are fantastic yields on naked Cronus chain, CRO and ETH. Our keepers automatically manage the position for you. CRO equals 45% APY. WETH is 10% APY at app.pickle.finance. Go check that out, everybody. Another big thing, they have exceeded 1 billion in total supplies about not quite a month ago, but Tectonic went over 1 billion in total supplies. Thanks to Tectonians for the big milestone, which the total borrowed is about half of that. So fantastic Tectonic right there. Going over to their website, Tectonic shift in lending and borrowing. Tectonic is a cross-chain money market for earning, and this is what we're all looking for, passive yields and access instant back loans. All right, so you can go to the white paper if you like. It's powered by Cronus. There's that 1B in total supply. We got it right there, 1B. Take a look, pretty good. Borrows about half, so about half of it's borrowed. Generate passive yield on your asset. Crypto assets deposit into Tectonic earn attractive APYs based on the dynamic rate according to the market demands. Earnings are available immediately with no lockup. Instant liquidity at your fingertips. Get an instant loan to unlock liquidity with idle crypto assets in Tectonic. That's a big thing right here, everybody. Take a look. If you have idle crypto that's just sitting there in a Robinhood or sitting in an account, well, Robinhood, you'd have to sell it. But if you got idle crypto sitting there in Binance or Coinbase, KuCoin, or whatever, you can take that idle crypto and you can get an instant loan to unlock liquidity from your idle crypto assets today. Start borrowing today. Keeping your funds safe is our top priority. Audited smart contracts. Keeping your funds safe is our top priority. Audited smart contracts. Our smart contracts have been audited by letting blockchain security auditors Solomis. It's got the insurance fund coming soon, and your open source, and among the founding principles of DeFi with Tectonic proudly committed to. All right, so a lot of good things going on in Tectonic. We're going to come back for a price prediction in a little bit. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. All right, how about, you guessed it, Robinhood listen Shiba Inu. How about that? There's some Shiba Inu going on in Robinhood. All right, we're over here at my Robinhood account, and I'm underneath the new listed cryptos. Take a look. There's 4 of them. You can't even believe it. We got Compound. Compound basically is up 9% right this second. Polygon, which is also Matic, trading at $1.41. You got Shiba Inu. It's up 18.72%. You got Solana. So again, for all the people that are on Robinhood, they're now, not that they've always liked the Dogecoin, they always liked the Bitcoin, the Litecoin, the Ethereum Classic. But here's the thing. Polygon's on here now, Shiba Inu's on here now, Solana's on here, Compound. these 4 cryptocurrencies are going to be getting a lot of action. And there's a lot of uptick right this second. So you may want to keep an eye on it. I don't know if you had these cryptocurrencies, but these cryptocurrencies are going to be popping for a while. All my information, of course, is for educational purposes only, but fantastic stuff. All right, how about this? How high will Shiba Inu go after being listed on Robinhood? So this is, again, the talk of the town. Shiba on Robinhood. It's a big, big thing, everybody. Robinhood has finally listed Shiba Inu on the platform, and the token is now available for trading. The Letting Exchange confirmed a tweet. They added SHIB to trade and transact. We dropped the new crypto they talked about, and they're giving away 100K of it. Breaking news, Robinhood has listed Shiba Inu. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. So pretty big news there. Those 4 cryptocurrencies, Compound Crypto, up right now, Solana, up right now, Polygon, up right now, and Shiba Inu. All of a sudden, there's 22.5 million people platform using Robinhood. And like I said, now they can actually get the Solana. Now they can get the Shiba Inu. Fantastic right there. All right, don't forget to hit the like button. Take your figure out, smash it. All right, what about Spooked Beans? This is one of these miners, just came out literally yesterday. It's not too late to get in. Check it out. They have that compound feature that you compound for 6 days, and then you eat on Sunday, or you claim on Sunday. All these miners that we're talking about, now they're high risk and high reward, so do your own homework. All our information is, again, for educational purposes only. Let's go check out Spooked Beans. All right, over here at Spooked Beans, the FTM reward pool with the spookiest daily return and the lowest dev fee. All right, so over here, the daily return is about 8%. So just like these other ones, the APR is 29.20. The dev fee is only 2%. I'll leave my referral link in the bottom. The tokenomics, there's a 2% fee, the lowest of any miner, 1% of the dev fee, and 1% goes to the rug insurance to free rug souls. Rewards can be reinvested and withdrawn daily to ensure the maximum reward of 8%. We recommend the following strategy. And this is, again, all these things are kind of like a cult following. I know this is brand new, but if everybody works together as a team and they compound for 6 days, right here, compound for 6 days, and they harvest for 1, like is on Sunday, then the contract balance is going to keep going up and keep going up. This is, again, like the baked beans. This is Spooked Beans. It's only 1 day old. Baked beans is a lot of days old, months and months. It's a very strong project. A lot of people are looking to get in the projects early now. This strategy has been battle tested and proven to maximize the return for both the short and long term. Please note, you cannot unstake. You can only get your earnings. All right, so just bringing this to you. So again, literally check it out. It's an 8%, 6 and 1. One of these miners that are working, you can re-spook your rewards, or you can harvest your rewards. 8% daily, APR 29.20, and a 2% dev fee. All right, everybody. Don't forget to hit that like button and hit the subscribe button too. All right, let's head back over to Tectonic. All right, over here at Tectonic, some frequently asked questions. There's 3 of them. Tectonic is a decentralized... What is Tectonic? Tectonic is a decentralized, non-custodial algorithmic money market protocol. Users can deposit assets to earn passive income or borrow funds to unlock liquidity in their assets. How does Tectonic work? Funds are deposited by users and are provided as liquidity to borrowers who may borrow at a variable interest rate. Tectonic smart contracts adjust these rates based on each market utilization rates. And the last one, Tectonic, is Tectonic's protocol token with 2 key uses: case governance and staking into the community insurance pool to ensure the protocol and earn more rewards. All right, there's some questions on Tectonic. All right, this token is down right this second. What's our price prediction? I'm going the opposite way. I think it's still going to go down a little bit. It's down 15%. It may have not stopped going down. Take a look right there. See that? How it's going down? It's going down. Keep it on your radar. Maybe wait till it finds the bottom. But again, we never know when it finds the bottom. But I think it's going to go down from where it's at right this second. Again, all our information is for educational purposes only. Do your own homework. Tectonic right here. Right below it, Ref is up 43%, and Tectonic is down 15%. All right, everybody, some good stuff going on. Robinhood listens Shiba Inu and 3 other cryptocurrencies. Tectonic, what's going on with Tectonic? Is it a good discount buy? Is it not a good discount buy? They do have some great projects with their idle crypto and passive yield, passive earnings and stuff, so check that out. Don't forget to click the like button. Click over here to see our most recent video. Also click over here so you can learn about Drip Network and My Diamonds Team V2. All kinds of good stuff going on. And hey, everybody, Spooked Beans, if you're looking for that miner, go check it out and do your own homework. All right, everybody, have a fantastic day.